How to make charcoal briquettes. I'm using charcoal dust in a 5-liter tin. One cup of sawdust and 2 cups of wheat flour, which will act as our binder. I proceeded by thoroughly mixing my ingredients. And once that was done, I used hot water. Hot water in this case activates the binder, which is the wheat flour. The starch in the wheat flour acts as the glue to these ingredients. You could also use cassava flour or even maize flour. As I'm working with hot water, I have to use this masonry tool to help me mix these ingredients. You want to add water slowly by slowly as needed. But then I had a challenge because while I was working on this, it started raining, and this threw me off guard. You want to achieve a mixture that does not have so much water in it, just the right amount of water. And due to the rain, it was very soggy and it had gotten a lot of water. So I decided to add more charcoal dust to it just to get the right consistency. Getting the right consistency is when you try to form a ball, it forms a ball and it's not very sticky to your hands. Begin filling up your mold. In this case, I'm using a metal pipe and a compactor that is just almost the same circumference as the metal pipe, but a little bit smaller. Use the compactor to push down your mixture and proceed by filling up the metal pipe. And once it's almost filled to the brim, you're going to use your compactor, and using a mallet, you're going to hit it and compact and press down your mixture until it's tightly fit in the pipe. And once that is done, what is left now is to extrude our briquettes by pushing the compactor and releasing the briquettes and breaking them as needed. If you prefer a longer length, then you just push it through and break it at your desired length. Arrange your briquettes on a metal tray and set them in direct sunlight so that they start drying. According to the sun's rays and power of the sun, it might take anywhere to 3 days to 7 days to fully dry up. You can also choose to make your briquettes in the usual circle balls. Just note that these ones might take a longer time to dry. So you would be best advised to create small balls so that they take a shorter time to dry. And once you're done with your balls, remember to set them in the sun every single day to dry. After about 3 to 4 days, our briquettes are finally dry. And as you can see, They are very strong and they don't break easily on impact. So at this stage, we are ready to light them up. Go ahead and arrange them on your stove. You can start with the small ones and also add the big ones on top. Using some ash and kerosene, light it up. At the beginning, you notice that it produces some soot, just like when you're using regular charcoal. But once it has caught fire, the soot goes away. I went ahead and placed a saucepan full of lemons and cold water. And after 10 minutes, the water was boiling briskly. So the briquettes work perfectly, and I'm surely going to create more. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.